everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to become a TikTok creator. If you are looking to dive into the world of short form content and make your mark on TikTok, you are in the right place. Let's jump right into it. To begin, grab your smartphone and open the TikTok app by clicking on its icon. Once the app is up and running, locate the plus icon usually found at the bottom center of the screen and give it a tap. This will open up a variety of options including live, photo. Note that the live option is only available if you have at least 1,000 followers. In order to become creator, you can make different videos that could be of 15 second, 60 second. If you want to engage your audience more, then you can make 10-minute videos. If you get 1,000 followers, you will see the live option and you can go ahead and tap on it. And just like that, you have initiated a live session on TikTok. Going live can be a fantastic way to engage with your audience in real time and showcase your personality. It's a feature that unlocks new possibilities for interaction and content creation. That wraps for today's quick guide. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.